There is excitement happening in Lake County, Ohio. Advanced manufacturing is big business here. Lake County is home to over 900 diverse manufacturing businesses and a highly skilled workforce. Only minutes from Cleveland, Lake County offers great career opportunities, an affordable lifestyle, high-quality education, and is located on the shores of beautiful Lake Erie. In Lake County, Ohio, we build it here.
My name is Terry Colescott, and I'm the Advanced Manufacturing Instructor at Auburn Career Center. The BattleBot competition that we compete in is probably one of the best project-based learning projects I've ever been involved with. The students develop teamwork skills, leadership skills. They find that they have skills within themselves that they didn't even know they had. It develops skills in those students that companies are looking for. Students are, they take this idea, concept, then we put it on paper, then we transfer it to computer, then we actually end up making the parts and generating parts. Ideas and theories are proven and disproven, and it's a very wide learning area for all the students. They get to experiment with things that don't normally happen in just a general classroom. So it's a really exciting project, and I'm happy to be part of it.
My name is Duncan O'Brien. I'm a student at Auburn Career Center in the Advanced Manufacturing program. I'd say the main way this competition connects us with companies is through sponsorship and how companies support teams, and we often get to work with employees from the company. I think employers look for students who are willing to finish a job working their best at it, giving it all of their effort, and being able to work well with a team. Those are very important in the workforce.
My name is Aaron Reddick, and I'm an advanced manufacturing student at Auburn Career Center. The BattleBot competition is something put on by the Alliance for Working Together for high school students in either technical schools or in, brick and mortar high school who are interested in either engineering, robotics, and technology. It enables them the opportunity to come together and build a fighting robot. And then at the end of the year, we get to fight it. Every year we have a company that comes and sponsors us. These companies partner with us, and we build relationships with them. For building the BattleBot, we come up with the design as the students, and we build the blueprints and the robot from what we come up with. We learn how to engineer to our circumstances. The AWT BattleBot competition is a wonderful opportunity for kids to learn about practical engineering, working on teams, and even the experience. I mean, how cool is it that you get to build with your hands a fighting robot?
My name's Roger Sustar. I own a company called Freedon Corporation. I've been in business for 47 years. We started the AWT, must have been 10, 12 years ago, something like that. A bunch of manufacturers got together and we decided to work with each other instead of work against each other. And what we've done is created this crazy Robobot competition and all the wonderful things that we do to help the young kids understand that manufacturing is part of the world. Everything in this world that is made by manufacturing. And with this event that we do here today, the AWT Robobots competition and the little junior mini bots, is to show everybody that manufacturing has a place in this world to make things and to make America and the whole world a much better place than what it is. We need a lot of young people to come into our industry, especially ones that are innovative and have new ideas, because the way that the world will evolve into a better world will be with the young innovation and things that the young people can think about and do that us old guys can't do much anymore. Our AWT has a vision. The vision's real simple. It's promoting, rewarding careers in manufacturing, and that's what we're doing here. I never imagined we'd ever do this. Sometimes you have dreams and they come true. This dream has become wow. It's a big wow. It's hard to imagine. What do you think? There's 300 some kids here? That's a lot of youngsters. And I'm not saying that each one is going to end up coming into manufacturing, but each one's going to see a little bit about it. Then they can make their own decision, what they want to do. I look at it and I go, what are you going to do? What do you want to do in life? You know, do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to be a gazillionaire? All I know is anything that you ever do in life, keep it to one page. Keep it real simple. Life has its ups, has its downs, but even after all the turmoil and the adversity that I've been through, I'm looking forward to the rest of it. I'm looking forward to seeing my grandchildren, who are like your ages, becoming part of society, becoming part of life, making things great. And you are our future. You are going to make us better.
My name is Allison Scott. I'm the president of Freedon Corporation, and I'm also the coordinator of the AWT Robobots and now Junior Bots. Businesses, manufacturing companies in Lake County, there's nearly 700 of them just in this county alone. You drive up and down Tyler Boulevard, which is a main drag for manufacturing companies here in Mentor, and you can see the help wanted signs and machinists needed and CNC machinists needed. There's a great need to enter a younger workforce into that industry. To do so in a time when the older generation is still around and can share that tribal knowledge, I think it's an important thing, and everyone would be more successful, the companies, the younger generation coming in, to be able to have that opportunity to work side by side. So it's, without a younger workforce, all those manufacturing companies can't survive. Once we identify a high school and pair them with a company sponsor, there's usually a little first meeting. They share kind of expectations, what to do, you know, if this arises or that arises. And then we encourage them, since all of the work is going to be taking place at the manufacturing company, we encourage them to have a first meeting that brings the parents in, because a lot of the parents have never been at a modern manufacturing company. Obviously, they want to know where their child is going to be spending time, just with any organization or sport or whatever that they're involved in. So we ask that they have that first nighter or first day to have the parents come, meet the staff, tour the company. And then every week after that, and I'm sure, you know, as it gets down to crunch time, they're meeting multiple times a week. For a couple hours, they are working in the manufacturing company's facility, and they are designing their bot. They're coming up with strategies. They're talking about metals, you know, which metal might be lighter than another, which is more sturdy, which is more cost effective. Coming up with ideas and coming up with a design and everything, that could potentially happen away from the manufacturing sponsor, but then there would be a disconnect. So just like engineering and manufacturing coming together, you want the kids to come in with their manufacturing partner, and then unless they don't have facilities, unless it's maybe a heat treater or something like that doesn't have machines, they are actually trying to teach them either how to run the machine, if there's an ability to run a manual machine, or, you know, a CNC machine or something like that. They either work side by side with the manufacturing mentors, or even if they can do it themselves. And it's a real camaraderie. They form a bond, and when even if they're working on their bot, say of Freedon, Riverside students are there, and they're seeing what Freedon is doing in a day-to-day basis. They see the kinds of jobs that we're working on, and the kind of employment opportunities that there are. They can see who the lead people are, and what the age of the machinists are, what does the machinist do. And so all of those things are being shown to them without being instructed to them. So their time that they spend at the company sponsor is extremely valuable, not just working on their bot.
Manufacturing careers offer good wages, and Lake County offers a great way of life, a highly skilled workforce, access to quality education, and room to grow. In Lake County, Ohio, we build it here. For more information about Lake County, Ohio, check out lcport.org. And for more information about how we build it here in Northeast Ohio, check out thinkmfg.com today.